Kansas lawmakers are back at work today, and KSHB 41 News reporter Charlie Keegan looks at the main priorities that they're going to focus on this new legislative session.
Today we want to take some time to walk you through a few of the priorities the people you elected plan to tackle in Kansas. The legislative session begins today in Topeka. The Speaker of the House told us his eyes are on tax relief. He wants one flat income tax rate. Republicans were so close to passing this last year, but couldn't override Governor Laura Kelly's veto. She vetoed the idea, saying it would raise taxes on low-income people and lower taxes on rich people. Speaker Hawkins told me he plans to bring back some version of this idea, but one that would also include some form of property tax and Social Security income tax relief. Meanwhile, the governor plans to make another push for Medicaid expansion. Medicaid is the health insurance for mostly low-income and disabled people. Expanding it in Kansas would benefit about 150,000 Kansans. Under Medicaid expansion, the federal government covers 90% of the costs, where the state would cover the remaining 10%. Republicans have resisted this idea so far. They say that many of the people who would benefit already have some kind of private insurance. So to convince those Republicans, Governor Laura Kelly will add a work requirement to her proposal. That's a compromise that she left out of previous proposals. The Kansas Chamber of Commerce would like to improve access to quality education. Ideas on how to do that differ, but one is to actually fund school vouchers so parents can decide to send their kids to private schools. Republicans said they plan to fully fund K-12 education at the current formula. Other things to look out for: a number of proposals to make childcare more affordable for parents and providers, a new focus to protect the state's infrastructure from cyber attacks, and a handful of ideas to implement a back-to-school sales tax holiday. New restrictions on abortion drugs will also be a topic, and bans on gender reassignment surgery on children. Trans issues dominated a lot of last year's session. The Kansas legislative session ends in April, but we'll have it covered for the remaining 4 months. Charlie Keegan, KSHB 41 News.